James Charles here, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
So as you guys can see, we got Morphe X James Charles palette. We didn't actually get it. It was a gift from our relatives from America, so we thought that we might unbox it in front of you guys. So we started unboxing. At the front of this box there is actually the description: the mini palette, mini artistry palette, mini palette artistic. And at the back of this palette, there's a note from James Charles. Hi sisters, James Charles here, and welcome back to my mini palette. I love glam, but I also have a huge passion for crazy, colorful, outside of the box makeup. Our original palette was formulated to create literally any look you could possibly imagine. And now this mini palette is perfect for on the go glam too. I can't wait to see what you come up with when you unleash your inner artist, James Charles. So now that we've shown you the box, so you can see, let's start unboxing. So this is what it looks like. And this is how the cover of the palette looks like. Morphe X James Charles, the mini palette. So this is how this looks from the inside. As you can see, there are many vibrant and colorful, beautiful colors. Here, the name of the color is Canvas. This one's Ring Lights. This one's So Good. This one's 518. This one's Rusted. This one's Halloween. This one's Wig. And this one's Tea. On the second row, we have Punch Me, Sister, Marry, literally, you're kidding, shop, boutique, Benny. On the third row we have flashback, face, tune, code James, 10% off, no beans, spooky. On this row we have B, Guac, Hello, Playground, Brother, Artistry, Love That, Pink Kitty, Drink Kitty. Last row we have Social Blade, Daddy, Cape Cod, Cola, Acapella, Scape, Single, Skip. So, and this is the whole palette. But guys, just as I told you this, these all names are by James Charles himself. Not that he's called it like white or yellow. No, these have different names as James have named them all. And I can say all these names are pretty unusual and crazy. My favorite color from here is so pretty I can't choose, but I have a way. I can choose it from the color red here. The reason why I chose this was because my favorite color is red, and because this shade had a very unusual name called You're Kidding, and it's perfect for a girl like me. That's the reason I love this shade. We've done a mini review on this palette. We're gonna close it. Well, I'll just have a last look at it. Well, you'll find out why I'll have a last look at it. See, this is the back of the palette. And this is the front. The back, the front. I love this magnetic field. Look at this. Just close it, open it, close it. Let's put this back, having a laugh. While putting everything back, I forgot to put the name tags in. This is kind of like a name thingy to show all the, shades. Okay, so I might put this away and see it the last time because... So, a plot twist. Guys, I have to look at this the last time because it's not gonna be mine. It's gonna be my mother's. Wish me good luck. I really wish I had this palette, but it's okay. Well, I hope you liked this review. Goodbye.